Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how we can create this 3D text effect. So let's add a new page and go to the left side menu, T, add heading, and now I'm entering text and resize it. And delete all letters and leave only letter T. Okay, now we can duplicate it. Click Ctrl D and just duplicate it and change the letters. Now we can change the color. Go to the top menu, colors, and make it white. Go to effects and choose lift effect and do the same steps. Letter E, go to colors, make it white, go to effects and lift effect. And here you go. We have 3D text, and now we can put the letter on the other letter or click the right button and send it backwards and play with our letters. So I hope you like this easy tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, check my extensive Canva master course on udemy.com. Link you will find in the description. See you next time.